Alright, so I just removed the AVG chip from the board. This is a good one. We tested it yesterday, playing the game, with my replacement board, because I thought this was bad based on the graphics errors I was seeing. I didn't realize it was the monitor. I thought it was this chip. Many examples online show very similar graphics problems when this chip goes bad. So I built my own chip. And it's smaller than most that have components like that. So this is the first time to test it, so let's see if it works. Plugged in. We're plugged in. Look at that. It's working. Uh-oh. Oh, okay. I thought it might have been a problem, but the red is just a little slow to come up. All right, let me go beside me, Thomas. I'm going to play a game here. See how it works. So, quite a few of these types of boards have been built by various people, and some of them have graphics problems. I don't know if they necessarily have them with Space Duel, because I don't think it's very demanding on that chip. But let's just see if there's any glitches with this game in the board. So far it looks really great. Shoot. Ooh. So far it looks perfect. I don't see any issues. So I gotta lay me out until it's clear. Ah! I kinda suck at this. How did I survive that? That's amazing. I want to get to the higher level because it has different modules. Test that chip out completely. Or that board, I should say. Yep, so far not a problem that I've seen. Have you seen anything, Thomas, that looks weird? You gotta remember there's a shield on this thing. I think this game's probably funner with 2 players. I have been getting lucky. Oh, my luck just ran out. Alright, I think this next level will be a weird shape. No. Can't go. Just trying to get through this level. Really got to remember there's a shield. Okay, this is the level I wanted to see if it was going to mess up on. Well, it mowed me down. I don't see any problems. Yeah. The circuit board doesn't help me with my gameplay, but the graphics are great. And let's just kill it off to finish the video. And see what the game over looks like. Yeah, that's perfect. Yep. That chip is working perfect, that replacement board. Alright, that's all I want to do. Thanks.